SDLC. Here SDLC is the software development life cycle. STLC is the software testing life cycle. First, we have a requirement gathering. Once we received from the requirements from business and client, then we will start our analysis. If analysis is good or if you have any issues, then we will ask to business or client, then we will get this a resolution and we will start designing. Once it is designed, it will be full-fledged completed, then we will start with coding. As per the requirement, we it will be start the development team, coding will be start. Okay, once it is coding is completed, then development regions testing will be start. Once testing region it's everything is looks good, then it will be code will be deployed to uh, deployment for test regions. Okay, this is a SDLC. Coming to STLC, software testing life cycle. Here requirement analysis is a first step. Here also it is a requirement analysis. Here requirement gathering. The here is a requirement analysis. Okay, now it is not much difference. Requirement analysis is the just we are analysis the every user stories or story points or somewhere here asking some people are requirement IDs as per the agile model. uh, it is a user stories or Jira ID, that is a requirement number. Okay, once requirements are clear, then it is start with the test planning. It is a test planning here which region we need to test and how many test cases are if uh, all the testing modules we are checking. This test planning activities. Once it is test planning activities completed, test design. Design here test scenarios, test cases, precondition, expected result, test description, test data, everything it is comes under test design. Now test design it is completed, we will walk through business and if any adding or deleting or updating test cases, then we are giving the walkthrough and we will resolve this uh, in test design. Once it is completed, uh, once we got that approvals from business, then we will start with environment setup. Okay, if it environment is setup is good, then we need to test a few high level or low level uh, test cases. We need to we are testing on that one. If it is looks good, then once it is shakedown testing completed, test execution will be begin. SKD, yeah, why we will need give the SKD means here we have a testing life cycle also, system integration testing, user acceptance testing. Two types of testings are there. Once user acceptance, for example, once user acceptance testing started, then development team it is checking the every code is everything is good and deployed to current test region or not, then it is sharing the details to testing team. Once it is everything's good look good, then we will uh, testing testing team members start with test execution based on his or her test conditions, test case numbers. Okay, once testing timelines, it is start date and date, testing client timelines. It is start. It is test execution. It is starting and every iteration of the cycles it is started. Then next step is test closure activities. In this test closure activities, whatever we have to test execution at the moment of time, uh, it we have taken the screen prints and any important mails or any uh, everything or any document related, then test closure activities we are sharing to business. And we are uploading the our test design document, test results document in Jira. And once everything it is uploaded, we need to ask the business uh, test results approvals. And business is business or uh, BA, it is reviewed with our test results. If everything looks good, then uh, he or she will give the approvals. Okay, this is a STLC, software testing life cycle. Everyone is understand whatever I am explaining. Okay, but here last step, it is a maintenance is there. If any issues comings or upcoming releases or any defects or any uh, issues are coming, then one maintenance activity, both development and testing